Yo, what is up, guys? It's Nick here with some raw day trading, and I had quite a difficult day today. It started out fantastic. I ended up trading all day long and going from 0 to 1,500, up 1,500 to down flat. Well, I took one big $700 loss, made a little bit back, and then gradually, as the same stock was going up on lower volume, I just churned myself out of another $1,000, and it was just not fun. It was not a great experience. I am up $416 or so nobody's gonna cry for me. But fuck, did that suck? You know, being up that much and ending the day so low, but it is what it is. I'm going to go here. I have $113 of fees, churning $10,000 share positions, getting, not the best fills, not the worst fills, just in the wrong, just not able to like microsecond scalp it in the way that I would have liked to, maybe with that I could have done with smaller size. Um, let's go. I just want to like take some looks at these. First off, the great trading that I had to begin with. I started the day out solid, basically no trades for the first 10 minutes. There just wasn't anything that I was liking. RNAS, just like everything, I was very kind of tuned in on exactly what I was looking for, exactly what I didn't want to trade. So great execution on that front. Okay, so this IVVD, let's see where this trade was that I got. I was up 127 from where? Okay, yeah, I think I had one little trade here. And this was at the open where everything just tends to be cleaner. Just tends to happen cleaner. So I jump in there. I don't think that was the best place to jump in. The place to jump in was around 55. That's okay. So that's one trade. And then the other trade, not quite there, was right there. Why did I jump in there? I don't know. And then this was for a break above highs. It was hesitating, and so I cut it. Probably cut it just a slight bit too early. Makes this like really high volume candle here, and then I kind of back off because I recognize the danger in candles like that, which was good. And then RNAS, yeah, I was kind of just testing quantum, like just trading really small share size on these kind of names, waiting for something good to happen, and then this lottery comes out of nowhere, and I start taking trades right here, kind of as it's hinting like it's going to break the dollar. Oh, I'm so disappointed that I gave all this back. Let's take a look and see how this goes. So candle closes strong here, looking nice, looking right. I'm waiting for a little bit more confirmation, a little better position. I could get it right here. Yeah. It's holding low, holding low, holding low. And boom, right here is where I should be getting in. Okay, hesitating a little late. So I'm letting it work itself out. All right. I did really good at like giving it time to work out. Okay, so I get in and I get right back out and I spend 50 bucks on that and it still goes. And then I jump in, stupid jump in. Again. So like that one right there, I was just a second too late. Someone got the fill or I just created slippage, you know. All right, so what are we looking at here? So the 5 minute closes, big strong candle. And then this is the one that I want to check. It pops above. I'm kind of chasing it here, to be honest. Oh, and I was just off by a couple seconds there. Probably even less than that. So now I'm down 120. It's at the 200 day. I'm waiting for it to fail here. And this is what it is right now. But I'm cool and relaxed. It's hesitating. It's not quite failing, but there are a lot of sellers here. And this is the one trade I get. That was really nice. Rate keeps reloading on the ask. Right there. And I got a decent fill. So that was a $600 trade or a $500 trade. Put me back above green. And then let's see, where else did I get? It's pretty cautious. And then it starts pushing up again. I'm like, do I want to take this? I don't know. I was very hesitant about this name. Very hesitant. Hmm. Oh, and then wow, look at that. I actually get this. I didn't realize I get this. What I got, I was kind of lucky, I think. Was from 110 to 115, and that put me up over $1,100 there, $1,200 or so. And so that was the bulk of where everything came. And then this was my peak, I think, right here. As it was kind of pushing up, I sized down. I thought I was doing everything right. It opens here out of the halt. It's just kind of going down. I think I get a pretty decent trade in here. No, out of the halt. Yeah, it's not what I'm thinking. So I'm just giving it space. It's not looking like it's going to do anything crazy good. And then, I give some back, but I'm up $1,000 on this, only on this name, and then up maybe like 300 or 400 more on other stuff. And okay, so here's I think where I made a big failure. I think it's this one. I'm up 1,200, which is decent. This is, I think, the peak of my day. And I want to see this entire candle here. Okay, so I jump in as it's kind of hesitating and not breaking down here. And I have a pretty bold hold here. Great, nice trade, couple $100, 150 or so. Okay. So that's so far, that's 2 trades, right? Let's see, let's go back. I think that's 2 trades. Oh, I remember what happened now. It's not this one. Okay, so it's not this candle. It's actually going forward here. I'm playing very cautiously, very, very cautiously. And there's a lot of sellers, and then it's doing this thing where it's pushing up again, and I'm like, huh, okay. It's and it does feel like it's going too soon. I will say that. And so here's what happens. I miss that. So good. I'm mildly cautious because I miss it. But I'm up so much that I'm like, oh, okay. What happens here? Okay, so I buy right here. Do I buy twice in one? Oh my god. Okay, so that was the really bad one. One. Okay, so yeah. And then 2 is right here. I'm like, okay. Whew. I buy right there before the candle closes, and it looks like it's rejecting. Okay, so what happens? Ooh. I go from up 11, up 12 to up 560 on there. And that, I was just like, whew, holy shit. To be fair, there was 1, 2, 3 trades in there, and I didn't wait for this to close. I didn't wait for the breakout to establish itself. Yeah. Just writing a little note for myself. Okay, and then that was the beginning of just failures. I mean, not really. I traded the EQ okay, but I'm not even gonna go over EQ. It doesn't even matter. But and then like the part where I really messed up, I don't even have on camera because like it was kind of just out of the blue. But I do have the chart. I'll show you on. What's it called? Oh, this was just so frustrating because from this point here at 99, or really here, I had a massive position down there, like a 30K position, which in itself was a little bit irresponsible, especially since I had gone red already on this name. But wow, oh wow, oh wow, what a dumb swing of events. So from up $1,200 to down $235. Whew, wow. It was just unfortunate, not fun. It does end up curling up. I get a couple dollars off the top, SGBX, ends up kind of giving me a couple dollars too to put me up to back up 400. But all that to say, I hated it. I hated this experience today. I mean, I'm glad I'm green, but the biggest problem was, and I think I can blame stuff. I think I can blame you not following rules. Okay, I mean, kind of. But I lost money on the way up here. Like, it's clearly stacking higher, which is great. Um, and then it clearly goes, which is great. But this from 1056 to whatever, I just gave back a lot of money. A lot of money. A lot of money. Um, and it just went. And I was right and wrong all at the same time. So I was trying to scalp it. It was more of a longer term play. The volume just wasn't there for the scalp. I thought it would really, really open up. I thought it would really open up, and it did. It just opened up after I thought it would open up. So, fuck. I mean, this is what it is, but fuck. Um, Low volume on the 5 minute, especially compared to back here when it was much more liquid. Hardy, hardy, har. Well, that is. I mean, I guess I can go through my my chart here. No trades in the first 1 minute from below 20 SMA. Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure I traded. Okay, so I failed that. No trades for first 5 minutes after the open. I did that. No more than 2 trades per 1 minute candle. Nope. And that's when I lost a lot of money. No large flush trades, especially anything below the 20 SMA. I'm pretty sure I did that. No taking the first candle off the flush. Pretty sure I was okay. No trading the creep lower. I'm pretty sure I was okay on that. I actually lost on the creep higher. No penny stocks. Well, I was trading under $1. No again. So it messed that up. Don't trade the same candle as a rejection from the highs. I traded the candle from the rejection of the highs, but I traded it in the high part. So I guess that's a no. Wait for, I'm going to add on wait for highs to establish. 1 minute. Okay. Don't trade breakouts, especially above or at highs. Actually, those ended up being, I mean, I didn't do that well, but like those ended up being probably my more successful trades. Don't trade the hold lower. I don't think I really did that, so I'll give it a check. That one's kind of big. Don't trade after a big loss. Yep, I walked away. Don't trade stocks with less than 1 million average in the last few 5 minute candles. I did not do that. I mean, I think I did that. Let me see here. Let me see. So that half a mil, I guess the average would have been about a mil, whatever. I think I did okay. Only 2 trades max at the same level have stopped. I think I did okay on that. Cut immediately if it unwinds. Yep, I did that. Avoid tops of consolidation zones. I did not do that. No trades on any stock below 800. No trade. I'm going to add to this. No trades on any stock after losing 500 from highs. And I failed at that. Don't dip trade the pivot. Lower in 1 minute. I think I did that actually. Do not size up when red. 30K shares after losing, I don't know, a lot of money on a stock. $700 on it. I wouldn't call that following that sentiment. No trades on any stock below 800. Yeah, I was fine on that. Okay, that's my review for the day. It was a little bit messy, but thanks for watching. I am green and grateful, but I will look to do better tomorrow. And I think once, because like this is a little bit more meta. My average is around like, for a normal green day, around like $500. If I'm 3 times that, I probably should just walk away. Because it doesn't happen that often. Maybe when it starts happening more and more often, I can stick it a little bit more. But this is a great case where like I wanted to walk away. I wanted to be done. I was like kind of not paying attention, just watching YouTube, and then coming back and being a little bit too aggressive. Oh, I got to write that down too. I wanted to walk away, but I was watching YouTube and came back a little too aggressive and confident. It's good to be confident, not great to be aggressive. But anyways, that is going to be my wrap for the day. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you all next time. Stay safe. My results are not typical. Most day traders lose money. Yada, yada, yada. Bye-bye.